Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Breakdown. Today we're diving into a new set of road incidents. Buckle up, let's get into it.
Oh my God! Oh shit! आराम से, तुम साइड हो, आराम से कूद, आराम से, easy, तुम साइड पे लगाओ गाड़ी. हाँ. टायर फट गया.
Decisions that are tough at times. Sports Radio 95B.
With Instacart's preference picker, you can choose how you want your deli meats.
What's hot?
Stay sharp out there. Big rigs and oversized vehicles have blind spots that can turn a simple lane change into a disaster. Always double check before merging.
Ay nampak. Женя! Ты видел?
Нет,
Видел?
я не видел. Какая ты умница, молодец, солнышко.
Sonia, sí se puede. Sonia, sí se puede.
Oh my goodness. 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 A plane just crashed onto a
Onto the
car
highway.
on a highway right
We're
in
gonna
front
pull
of us.
off, and we're gonna-
Holy wow.
They look like they're okay.
Wow.
The consequences of mixing air and car accidents. Before changing lanes, always double check your blind spot, because one quick move can turn into a collision in a split second. A sudden lane change and aggressive acceleration can turn a smooth ride into a dangerous situation. Always control the throttle on powerful cars. Smooth moves save lives. The driver was still alive. Brake failure can happen to anyone. Always stay calm, downshift, and use the emergency brake if needed. Speed matters. Lower speeds save lives. The driver just got a second birthday. That's all for today. Stay safe out there, subscribe to Road Breakdown, and I'll see you in the next one.